Hi, lovely family. Hope everybody is fine. As I promised in my previous video, please, if you've not watched my previous video, please go and do so. I promised to change my beautiful wig into a pony. Yes, but after putting my hair back, I noticed it won't fit the pony, so I change it here. I change it from side part into a middle part. Okay, so please look at how I turned the wig. Okay, I turned it upside down. The front went back and the back came up. That is how we are going to use it for our pony. Yes, as I am showing you in this video. Yeah, demonstration speaks louder. So as I'm demonstrating it to you, you comb through very nicely. Comb with your brush. The hair is very, very soft, so you can handle it. Okay, you can it's easily to handle. So you comb it nicely. Yeah, so here I change it to a middle part. So please look at how I fixed the hair. It was so good, like it was so easy to fix it. Okay, yeah, there's a pin inside the wig, three pins inside the wig, so it's easily to it's easily to adjust. Yeah, it won't go anywhere. You can dance with it. I was so happy. As you can see from the video, I was so happy. I was feeling myself. I was enjoying because it turned out so nice. So nice. It was so nice. I was so happy. It turned out so nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. Yeah. Actually, I didn't try it. I've never tried it. Yeah, I've never tried it, but I have a lot of ponies like this, but turning this wig into this, I never tried it. Yeah, but it's coming out to look this way was was a dream come true. So here I was making sure the pins were secured. Make sure the pins are well placed. Sorry about my voice. Yeah, so yeah, you can dance with it, shake your hair, everything. It won't go anywhere. Trust me, it won't go anywhere. I love it so much. It was very easy. It's easy to do. Okay, it's easy to do. Yeah, I want to add this kind of hair to my collection as well. Yeah, so nice. And please go and watch my previous video how I did this wig from scratch. Okay, I did this wig from scratch and I promised to turn it into a pony. Yeah, in my next video I'll be styling this wig for you as a full wig, not pony. So here, in this video, I'm showing you how to turn this beautiful wig into pony. Yeah, to sleek looking ponytail. I loved it. I do really loved it. I took it out and trust me, the compliments I got was good. So let's go to the second look. Okay, so here I was trying to I was making sure my line was intact. I was making sure it was nice, right? But I didn't know what I was doing though. I didn't know what I was doing, but parting your hair is not easy though. Parting your hair it's not easy. It's not easy, but we don't stop till we get it right? Yeah, so don't give up. You see what I'm doing? I was messing up. I was even giving myself up. But I said no, let me go in with my old style. So I started from the back, and voila, I got it. And I got it right. This is my old style. I start from the back. Yeah, I start from the back before maintaining everything. So yeah, I tied it again. So I have to make sure there's no disturbances. And there's no disturbances in the front. Because I was coming through to make sure it's neatly, like it's neat and everything. So I was using my rubber band to secure the hair back. So I'll be using my brush. I'll be using a brush to comb through as well. But here I was using my comb. I'll be using a brush to comb through to make it so sleek. So as I'm doing in the video, what am I saying was sorry though. So yeah, so let's tie it so nicely, very firm, so that it does not move, because when it moves your pony will be disgusted. So yeah, I pick up my wig again. So this time it's not wig, this time it's a pony. So I picked up my pony again, brushed through nicely. As I said, I turn it upside down. The back is in the front. So yeah, let's fix it. This is the second look, which will be the last look though. This is my favorite style. Very, very, very easy. Very easy. Yeah, so I was pushing the hair into my hair inside and placing the pin there. I was making sure it's secured. Pulling the other side as well. And the locking. Yeah. Here I was like, yeah. I did it. This is my favorite look though. I don't know, maybe the first one will be your favorite, but this one here is my favorite style. I won't lie to you. This is my favorite style. I love it. I loved it so much. You can see from the video how it was. Get out of my mouth, please. You can see how I am happy in this video, right? Dancing up and down, like shaking this hair as if it won't go away. It won't go anywhere. The hair won't go anywhere. It won't try. Okay, it won't spoil my mood. Yes, yeah, baby. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. The way this hair came out, trust me, I love it, and I love it again. Very simple, easy. You got one hair, you can style it different ways. You can style this hair in different ways. Trust me. It was good. Mommy came in and she was like, what, you did another wig? I said, no, the old wig, my wig. She was like, whoa, the hair is so nice, So I was enjoying myself. I am still enjoying myself. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll be giving you great and good, excellent videos, okay? A lot of DIYs which will help you do your certain things by yourself, okay? Please do so and subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell so that anytime I post something, you'll be the first to be noticed, okay? Thank you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.